We created this basketball court on the side of the house with a very limited amount of space. The three-point line is not a true three-point line. We just shrunk the key and created a three-point line. The court was installed over existing concrete base, and we utilized a chocolate gray for the key and a light gray for the rest of the court, and striped the court with white lines. We installed a Dominator basketball hoop. One of the greatest thing about the Dominator hoop, it requires a very little room behind it. We were able to put the hoop about a foot away from the wall. This hoop is adjustable to different heights. And we also created a betting cage next to it. This is the latest sports court installation with Metflex tiles in Smithtown, New York.